Exercise 3.8 Problem 1 Division 1 Solution. Find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomials: x square minus 5x plus 6, x square plus 4x minus 12, whose GCD is x minus 2. The formula here is f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Okay, so this is f of x and this is g of x and this is the GCD. So LCM will be equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. That's the one which we need to use. But to use that, we need to factorize these two polynomials. Once you factorize, you'll be able to cancel this factor and get our LCM. Okay, so let's factorize the first f of x, x squared minus 5x plus 6. And this is what? The constant is 1 and the coefficient is 6. So 6 into 1 is 6. 6 needs to be split in such a way, when you add or subtract, you get minus 5. Am I right? So 6 can be written as minus 3 into minus 2, and minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Okay, and now this needs to be divided by the coefficient of x square, which is 1 in this case, and this is also divided by coefficient of x, which is 1. So this will become the coefficient of x, and this is a constant which will come down. So this is basically x minus 3 and this is 1x minus 2, which is x minus 2. Therefore f of x equal to x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, since the coefficient of x is 1, you can stop here itself and straight away write x minus 3 into x minus 2. But it's a good practice to do this way, because all of a sudden if they introduce 2x square, coefficient of x square more than 1, you will go ahead and stop it here and do it wrongly. So it's just 2 steps. If you are careful enough, you can stop here, but this step is very important when the coefficient of x square is greater than 1. Okay, so I leave it to you to stop here or complete it here. But for x square greater than, for a coefficient of x square greater than 1, you need to have this step. Okay, next we have to do the same for the g of x. So the coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. Minus 12 must be split in such a way, when you add or subtract, you will get 4, right? So that is done here. So 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. And dividing these by the coefficient of x square, you get 6 by 1 and minus 2 by 1. So this is basically x plus 6 is the factor here, and this is x minus 2. Okay, you know this becomes the coefficient of x and this comes down as a constant, right? So therefore g of x equal to x plus 6 into x minus 2. Now you apply, and GCD of f of x and g of x is x minus 2. Substitute all these things in the formula. LCM equal to, or LCM into GCD is f of x into gx, or LCM equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. So substitute all these things. What is f of x? X minus 3 into x minus 2. G of x is x minus 2 into x plus 6, and GCD is x minus 2. So you can see this and this will get cancelled. So your LCM will be x minus 3 into x minus 2 into x plus 6, which is the LCM, right? So all you need to know is 2 things, this formula, and then you should be able to factorize f of x and g of x. If you know this, then this problem can be easily done. Thanks for watching this video.